Going guys, so recently I've been fishing. I haven't fished in a while at this pond. I'm taking a little bit of a break from it. I went there and fished, and I put it on the screen of what I got. I was missing 2 fins, holes all over it, a leech mark. So I'm gonna go to that pond today, try to fish it, and maybe like throw a couple pieces of food in there because those fish probably starving. I don't really got much to eat, so I'm gonna go over there, take care of this pond. What's up guys? Just made it to the pond. I'm gonna throw on a chicken nugget. This little hook. Maybe rip it up to that big. Here we go. Throw it out there. I'll show you what one of the catfish look like. So, start there, just got a bobber on. Alright, so I just threw it out now. Oh, already got a bite. Okay, I just threw it back out there. Seeing a lot of blow-ups right now. Before I left, I literally just killed my finger with this little crankbait thing. Right there. So this is the state of the pond. It actually does not look bad today. It's just what the state of catfish are. Guys, so I pulled up my first fish. It's a little channel cat. While I'm getting the hook out, let me explain. This is a healthy fish, right? This one's not, like, really skinny. This is a baby, bro. Got the hook out. So, this one's healthy and all. This isn't the one we're looking for though. I'm trying to find that really gross one. Stop right here. So you may be wondering what I'm gonna do with the gross catfish. So I got like this kind of like creek thing by a water tower. I'm gonna take them over there and kind of just like put them in there so they're separated from the healthy ones. There's good old buddy. Oh. Alright, I just brought up another small cat. I don't know why they're only small ones I'm catching right now. I mean, the big ones could have possibly passed. Yeah, let's unhook this guy. So, it's just a small cat. I got a bunch of bites on it, and then something just took it. Oh! Just took it. Ooh. Got the hook out. So, small cat. Another healthy one. Not gonna lie, that's pretty impressive. Last time I was here, I was only getting like unhealthy, like dying ones. So, got a really healthy small baby cat. I'm gonna come back tomorrow or sometime this week. So yeah, see you guys. All right, guys, day 2. We're out here at the pond. It's Campbell. We're gonna do 2 rods to get some of these gross catfish out here. We got the bobber one, and then we're gonna do another bobber one.
Other grubs.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Got 2 bobbers out there. He's on a lure. So this one keeps getting little nibbles. Lipper.
Really?
Yeah. He got a catfish. This is a healthy one again. So we haven't had to take any of the gross ones out yet.
Oh, he's really good. Here, guy.
Yeah, wait here. Put him up. He is not bad. All right. All right.
That was crazy. Another one. Just got another catfish.
Got another one right after. Oh wait, is this a yellow? Oh.
He's bleeding. Is he bleeding?
Yeah, a little bit.
In the mouth. Oh yeah, deal with him. I keep it in the mouth. Yeah. There he is.
It's not a very big one, but
He looks healthy.
yeah, this
Not
is
what we're going
another
after,
healthy
though.
one.
We want the bad ones.
Yeah, we're trying to get the bad ones.
Yep. Guys, we got a monster. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my goodness, he's tiny.
How'd you even catch him? How'd you even catch him?
All right, here's the little catfish. Pretty healthy too. All right, so Caught a couple already. I have my like bullet weight thing. Getting hit? No. Got my bobber out here. Oh, it's gone. I said tug. Oh no! No. All right, mild inconvenience. I missed the fish. So far we've got all healthy ones. Yeah, we're doing good right now. Oh, I got bit. Here we go. Yo, I have one. I have to keep like continuously checking these. All right, guys, we got another fish. I'm gonna. Oh, he went down there. He just took my bobber. Bro, there's a turtle attacking my Yo. Bro, why are they attacking my bobber? Watch, he's gonna hit it again. Bro, what the? Okay. We caught a turtle, which is not good at all. Poor guy. Well, I don't want a turtle, like, because now I can't get my hook back. I'm not really too upset about the turtle, because it's going to survive with a hook in his mouth.
That's so mean.
No, Dude, that's so annoying. This is the only thing I don't like about this pond.
Yeah.
So, we pretty much have no unhealthy catfish right now.
Which
we just
is
have
good.
these guys, which is not good.
I mean,
Because they're eating eating some of the fish if they get stuck.
yeah.
Like if they can't really do anything, these guys eat them.
I done chase you down, bloody switch up to the crowd. Everybody on the ground, don't nobody make a sound. Known for gunning.